Hello students, welcome to a new fresh episode of class 9 mathematics. Today in this class we will discuss a new topic from geometry, that is Heron's formula. Heron is a great mathematician which has immense achievement in field of mathematics. Today in this class we will discuss what is Heron's formula and where it is used. Okay, but before that we should know the basic idea about geometry and about the parts that is related to Heron's formula. Clear? So let's start with the basic fundamental ideas. Okay, so first we will discuss what is Heron's formula, but before that we will going to discuss what is a polygon. Clear? So first fundamental term is polygon. Okay, so what is a polygon? Let's find out. So polygon derived from two words. What are they? The first word is poly and the second word is gon, and combined to form polygon. Clear? So poly means more than one. Okay, more than one. As you know, mono means one, bi means two, tri means three. Okay. Similarly, poly means more than one. And what is the meaning of gon? Gon means side. Okay. So gon means side. Clear? So what is a polygon? A polygon is a geometrical figure. It is a figure, geometrical figure which has side. This is not the exact definition. Let me tell you the exact definition. The exact definition of a polygon is a closed figure. Okay, it is not an open figure, it is a closed figure. For example, I am taking a triangle. A triangle is a closed figure or an open figure. It is a closed figure because all the sides are being closed. Clear? So, a polygon is a closed figure which are made of only sides by a straight line. Okay, so again I am saying, what is a polygon? A polygon is a closed figure, okay, and which is made up of only straight line, or whose sides are made up of only straight lines. Clear? So I am writing the definition. A polygon is a closed geometrical figure. Closed geometrical figure. Okay, it is a closed geometrical figure, isn't it? Yes, it is a closed geometrical figure and it is closed by three sides, and all the three sides are straight lines. Okay, so a polygon is a closed geometrical figure in which all the sides are made up of straight lines. Okay, now we can easily identify whether a geometrical figure is polygon or it is not a polygon. It will be a polygon if all the sides are closed by only straight lines. Not only the example of triangle, we can take the example of a quadrilateral. Suppose this is a quadrilateral. Okay, in this quadrilateral there are four sides and all the sides are closed. So this is a closed geometrical figure and all the sides are made up of only straight lines. Clear? So it is also a polygon. Now we can take the example of a square. Now you can see a square is also a closed figure. Okay, and all the sides are made up of only straight lines. There are four straight lines. Okay, so a square is also a polygon. You can take a pentagon. Pentagon means any geometrical figure which has five sides. Okay, so let us draw a pentagon. You can see it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides, and all the 5 sides are closed to form a pentagon. That means it is a closed figure. And all of its sides are made up of only straight line. So it is also a polygon. Now, if I am taking the example of this, now you can see it is also a closed figure, because you can see all the sides are being closed. There is no open space. So it is a closed figure. But here you can see there are 4 sides. True? But out of 4 sides, though the 3 sides are made up of straight line, but the another side, the 4th side, is not a straight line. It is a curve. Okay, it is a curve like this. It is an arc like this. So is it a polygon? No, it is not a polygon. Why? Because its one of its side is not made up of straight line. So it is not a polygon. Not a polygon. Okay. Suppose I am taking one more example like this. It is a circle or not? Yes, it is a circle. Okay. So in this circle, whether this geometrical figure is closed or not? Yes, it is closed. Okay. There is no open space. Whether it is a polygon or not? Let us find out. You can see, though it is a closed figure, but none of its side is made up of straight line. Okay, and all the sides, it has no sides. Basically, it has no sides, but it is closed by some sides. Okay, and that sides are not made by the straight line. This is made by the curves. So it is not a polygon. So not a polygon. So from this we clear now, a polygon must have the sides made up of only straight line. Okay, but they must be closed. You can take one more example here. Suppose I am taking the example of this. See, here there are 4 sides and all the sides are straight line. Okay, all the sides are straight line, but this is not closed figure, this is an open figure. So is it a polygon? No, it is not a polygon. If this is an example, it has 2 sides and these 2 sides are made up of straight line, but it is an open geometrical figure, so it is not a polygon. Now I think we are clear about what is a polygon and how can we identify a polygon. Okay, now we will discuss the categorization of a polygon. Okay, a polygon is categorized into 2 parts. What are the 2 parts? The first type of polygon is known as a regular polygon. Okay, and the second one is irregular polygon. Now we will differentiate what is a regular and what is an irregular polygon. In a regular polygon, polygon means what? Polygon means a closed geometrical figure which are made up of only straight lines. Okay, so any polygon having all the sides equal are known as regular polygon. For example, suppose this is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means it has 4 sides and these sides are made up of straight line. And if all the sides are equal, okay, all the sides are equal, then it is known as a regular polygon. Okay, so a polygon in which all the sides are equal are called a regular polygon. Okay, so here all the sides are equal. Okay, suppose I am taking the example of a triangle. Suppose in this type of triangle, if all the sides are equal, then it is known as a regular polygon. Okay, no doubt it is known as equilateral triangle, but first of all it is a regular polygon. Suppose I am taking a hexagon. Hexagon means if it has 6 sides. Okay, suppose it is a hexagon, and if all the sides of the hexagon are equal, all the sides are equal, then it is known as a regular polygon. Clear now? So all the sides must be equal for a regular polygon, and one thing you have to remember, that if all the sides are equal, then all the interior angles must be equal. Interior angles means what? Interior angles means the angles which is lying inside the closed geometrical figure. Okay. In case of a quadrilateral, it is a regular polygon because all the sides are equal. That means all the interior angles are also equal. Suppose this is a quadrilateral having side AB, BC, CD and DA, an angle ABCD. Then in this case, A is equal to B angle is equal to C angle is equal to D angle. Okay? And since it is a regular hexagon, that means all the sides are equal. So in this case, you can write all the 6 angles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, these are the 6 angles. So A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to D is equal to E and is equal to F. Okay, we can take a octagon. Octagon means having 8 sides. Okay, so let us draw a octagon. This is the octagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. Okay. If all the sides are of equal length, okay, then it is a regular polygon. And if all the sides are equal, that means all the angles, all the interior angles, that the interior angles, so it is 8 interior angles must be equal. Okay, so this is all about a regular polygon. Now, what is an irregular polygon? This is just opposite of regular polygon. That means if the sides are unequal, then it is a irregular polygon. Okay, if the sides are unequal. See, this is a polygon, but all the sides are unequal. Okay, so it is a irregular polygon. This is a triangle, but here the sides are unequal. This is not equal to this, is not equal to this. So it is an irregular polygon. So in case of irregular polygon, all the angles must not be equal. Why? Because the sides are also not equal. That is why their angles must not be equal. So it is clear now what is a regular polygon and what is an irregular polygon. Let us talk about one more thing. A question arises here. What is the name of a polygon which is made up of minimum number of sides? That means we have to draw a polygon, we have to name a polygon which is made up of minimum number of sides. Okay. So in order to form a polygon, how many straight lines, minimum, how many straight lines must be needed? Let us find out. Suppose we have 2 straight lines. Okay, suppose we have 2 straight lines. Then by using this 2 straight line, is it possible to draw a closed figure? No, it is not possible. Now you can draw like this. This is also 2 straight line. But is it a closed figure? No, it is not a closed figure. That means by taking 2 straight lines, it is impossible to form a polygon. Okay. So in order to form a polygon, we need at minimum of 3 straight lines. Okay, how? See, 1, 2, 3. And it is a closed figure, and this figure is known as triangle, and it is made up of straight line, so it is a polygon. It is a polygon, but it is not a polygon. So in order to form a polygon, we need at least 3 straight lines. Okay, so write it. In order to form a polygon, we need at least 3 straight lines. Okay, and that figure is known as what? That figure is known as a triangle, and that is known as a triangle. Okay. So in case of a triangle, here the number of side is 3. Here the number of side is 3. So we can write n is equal to 3. N means number of sides. Okay. Similarly, what is the name of a quadrilateral? Sorry, what is the name of a polygon which is made up of 4 straight lines? Okay. So our question is to draw a polygon which is made up of 4 straight lines. That means what is given? It is given that n is equal to 4. Now we will draw and name that figure. So since n is equal to 4 means it has 4 straight lines. It means it has 4 sides. 4 sides means it must be a quadrilateral. This is okay. So by using 4 straight line we can draw a quadrilateral.